Hello everyone, in today's video tutorial, I'm excited to guide you through the process of joining paths in Figma, a powerful design tool widely used for UI and graphic design. To begin, launch the Figma application on your computer and either create two new vector shapes using the Shape tool or select existing shapes that you want to work with. Once you have your vector shapes ready, make sure to select both of them by clicking and dragging your cursor around them or by holding down the Shift key while selecting. With both shapes highlighted, right-click on the selected area and navigate to the context menu that appears. Look for the Flatten option and click on it. Alternatively, you can utilize the keyboard shortcut. Press Alt plus Shift plus F at the same time to accomplish this step quickly. After flattening the shapes, double-click on the first vector shape. This action will allow you to enter editing mode, where you can manipulate individual points of the vector. Next, click and drag the endpoint of the first shape, guiding it to connect with the endpoint of the second vector shape. This technique is crucial for seamlessly joining the paths together. Continue this process by selecting the remaining points on both vector shapes, ensuring each point is aligned perfectly to create a smooth, continuous path. And there you have it. That's a detailed walkthrough on how to effectively join paths in Figma. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to the channel for more insightful how-to videos and design tips. Thank you for watching.